AI is already taking over jobs across the world and you might be next. You have probably heard a story. Robots are driving trucks, writing news story, even flipping burgers. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But what if I told you that this is happening right now and you may not even know it yet? Here's the question. What happens when AI can do everything you do but faster, smarter, and without needing a paycheck?
Alright, driver. Take me. Take me to the owner.
Let's be honest, AI is everywhere. It does literally everything. It drives car, it writes essays, it makes music. And the worst part of it, it doesn't even ask for a break. So that brings the main question. Can AI actually steal your job? So let's look at the jobs that AI can steal. The first job AI can steal right now is writers. If you write for a living, AI can literally write thousands of words in milliseconds. Yeah, if you're a graphic designer, AI can do just that better and more faster, more faster than you. And if you're a car driver, self-driving cars are now everywhere.
Doing such a great job.
A bodyguard, if you're a bodyguard for someone like you do that for a living, they are making a robot right now, powered by AI, they could do just better than you. I think that's gonna happen in the future, but now right now I think they're still making that stuff. When it comes to hard labor, AI can actually do that. If you're a chef, AI can actually take your job. Yeah, because they can actually learn how humans cook and actually cook the same way as you. If you're a manager in a company, AI can do that faster and smarter than you. Yeah, they have all the knowledge and they can actually learn from the best. If you're a doctor, AI can replace your job because AI can learn from the best doctors in the world and actually learn how to treat any kind of stuff. AI can also replace news reporters, voice artists, music producers, software developers, and even influencers, and so much more. So let's look at jobs that AI can never steal. So the first job AI can steal with, number one is being a politician. Yeah, there's no way people are gonna allow a robot to rule a country. That's never gonna work. Teachers, there's no way a robot or AI is gonna force a kid to stop showing pen in his mouth or something like that. It's never gonna happen. It doesn't work. The next thing is a plumber. There's no way a robot is going down to the ground, something like that, and doing something else. So plumber, teachers, politicians, job like this, AI can never replace them. But you may be thinking, sure, AI can give advice, but they don't have that. They can't understand human the way we understand ourselves. So there's no way a robot can stop a child from crying. It's not gonna work. So to run things up right now, the truth is AI is making the world way more advanced. Things are getting so done really faster, but the problem is a lot of people is gonna lose their job in the future, to be honest. I can sense it right there, but no matter how AI gets to the limit, they can never replicate what humans are capable of doing, to be honest. Even if an AI created a design, there's no way it's gonna be better than the one created by a real human because of psychology. Yeah, things like this, and I believe that AI may destroy the world somehow. I don't know. Well, now that the world is gonna end, just that things are gonna change, it's gonna be different. That's just my prediction. So it's AI versus you right now. So what I'm gonna tell you right now is have a backup plan just in case, because the way things are skyrocketing right now, a lot of people might lose their job.